So the other day, the Wooded Beardsman was up with Zach Fowler, and they were hanging out at Jeremy's, the One Wildcrafter. I was invited out to do a little nuisance trapping for Jeremy's parents. And Chris had a bit of swag. He's a big shot now on YouTube. And one of the little gizmos he had was this wood. It's called Work Sharp. It's I think they call it the Guide Sharpener. But I'll leave a link down below. You can check them out. Check it out on Amazon. But anyways, I'm kind of against these little gizmos and gadgets. I just did a video, a couple months ago, I guess, just talking about my knife sharpening techniques and using the diamond plates. I prefer them. But I thought, you know what, it's free, so let's give it a shot and see if it's worth it. It's kind of nice. It's got a coarse side. I'm not sure what the grits are. It might say on the Work Sharp website, but basically it's got a coarse, it's got a fine, it's got a nice leather strop that does come with some compound already on it. I would recommend rubbing some more on as you use it. It's got a ceramic stone that you can turn with this little red knob for hooks and serrated blades. And it's also got another little ceramic one here. I haven't touched the ceramics. You might be able to see, but it says a 20-degree guide. So it's already got your guide set up. So when you put your knife on it, you don't have to worry about, am I too high, am I too low? You just put it on and you work through. So I like a nice sharp beaver knife. This is not too bad here, but pretty dull up here. So I'm just going to put a bit of water on. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I always do. And then you just go through. I'm just using the fine side right now because I've already done this knife previously. It just needed a bit more of a touch-up than a steel will. I had done 4 beaver, I guess. And then you just go the other way. I kind of like to do it like this, but I'll try and keep it down so you guys can see. Probably go a bit longer, but I can feel that it's working pretty well. Try and keep that same angle. Quite a bit better. Well, there you go. The little Work Sharp sharpener really does a great job. Run through it on the coarse side, get that fine edge going, and flip to the fine side. Same thing, get that little burr going. Use the leather strop, and you're off to the races. Great little product, and it stays in my bag. I'm surprised to say it. I wish that I could find a nice jig for my big diamond plates because they're so nice and big. I find this can be a little bit cumbersome, especially if you generally have a strong side and a weak side. So on my strong side I'm alright, but I find my weak side it's a little awkward. But it does have these little spots where you can put your finger and thumbs, keep them protected a little bit. It's got those guides. It makes sharpening really easy. So if you've never heard of WorkSharp, go check them out online. I'm going to leave a link below for this on Amazon. I highly recommend it. I had lost it when Jeremy was here a couple weeks ago. I looked everywhere for it and I couldn't find it. I was actually just about to buy a new one. Cheers, guys.